Hi guys, today we are going to talk about negation in French using ne and pas. So when we say negation, we mean that we want to be able to say what we don't do. So far in French we've learned how to say what we do, and we want to be able to say what we don't do. So let's start with an example. We have vous nagez, you swim, vous nagez. So far we can say what you do, vous nagez. Now we want to say what you don't do, that you don't swim. Vous ne nagez pas. You do not swim. What we're going to do is take these two little words, ne and pas, and put them around our conjugated verb, nager, the thing that we don't do. Another example underneath, il skie. He skis. We want to say he does not ski. So we say il ne skie pas. Again, we take our little words ne and pas and we put them around the verb that he is not doing. He is not skiing. Il ne skie pas. Alright, so sometimes we're going to make a slight change to one of these two words. Sometimes ne will become an apostrophe. And when does that happen? An apostrophe goes before a vowel. A-E-I-O-U. So, let's take a look at our first example. Vous ne nagez pas. That's from the first page that we were just looking at. Vous ne nagez pas, you do not swim. Ne comes before a consonant, the letter N. And so we keep ne just as it is. But in the next example down, vous n'aimez pas le fromage. You do not like cheese. You'll notice that the ne has become an apostrophe. That's because the first letter that follows it is an A, it's a vowel. So in order for the language to sound correct and to sound beautiful, the French decided that they would change ne to an apostrophe, just like we do with je sometimes, and make the words kind of run together. So, vous n'aimez pas le fromage. You do not like cheese. And then in our second, or third, I should say, example down, we have je n'aime pas le café. I do not like coffee. So again, we have an apostrophe here because the very next letter that follows it is a vowel. So instead of je ne aime pas, that doesn't happen in French, we have je n'aime pas le café. I do not like coffee. So it's important to know which verb to put your ne and pas around. In some sentences we have more than one verb, so we have to be careful. It's important to know that you use ne and pas around the conjugated verb. That's the verb that follows our subject pronouns and that we change from its original form to suit that subject pronoun. So let's take a look at some examples. We have je n'aime pas skier. I don't like to ski. We have two verbs in this sentence. We have aimer, to like, and we have skier, to ski. But what is the thing that I don't do? I don't like to ski. Je n'aime pas skier. I don't like to ski. So you'll notice that the ne and the pas surround the thing that I don't do. I don't like to ski. Our next example is the same sort of thing. Tu n'aimes pas faire du footing. You don't like to do some jogging. So we have two verbs in this. Aimer, to like, and faire, to do, as in to do some jogging. So what is the thing that I don't do, or that you don't do in this sentence? Tu n'aimes pas faire du footing. You don't like to do some jogging. So we've put the ne and the pas around the verb like, the thing that you don't do. And then our last example, elle n'aime pas regarder la télé. Elle n'aime pas regarder la télé. That is, she does not like to watch TV. So we have two verbs in this one as well. Aimer, to like, and regarder, to watch. So what is the thing she doesn't like? Or the thing that she doesn't do, she doesn't like. Elle n'aime pas regarder la télé. She does not like. So we put the ne and pas around the word like. Hopefully, this has helped you to understand the way that we use ne and pas to negate things in French. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.